हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्ट्रेस क्लासेज। आज हम क्लास 10th के लिए सिलेबस को आगे कर रहे हैं। सिलेबस तो हमारा क्या है, वो तो कंप्लीट हो गया था, बट हमने क्या किया हुआ है 10th क्लास के लिए जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जो कि सैंपल पेपर आप बोर्ड ने भेजा हुआ है, उसके सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस 2025 एग्जाम के लिए expected questions which may come in the exam or similar will come. Expected questions, important question chapter wise we are doing in 10th class, and today is the 13th lecture, 12 lecture over, and in that 12 lecture 12 lecture में हमने क्या किया है कि चैप्टर 1 से 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chapter completed, 9 also done in the last 12th lecture something, and today we'll over the height and distance questions concept, and chapter name is application of trigonometry. So means here application of trigonometry chapter 9, one question is important. From a point on the ground, let D, from the point D, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top, angle of elevation of the bottom and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. This is the tower. BC is the tower standing on the building AB. AB is building. The transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So AB is 20 meter. AB is building 20 meter. Okay, given. After that, saying the angle 45-60 degrees. Okay, find the height of the tower. And BC, what we have to find? BC, height of the tower. We have to find. Let in the solution, let BC equal to y. Okay, y meter, and AD कोई जरूरत नहीं है लेट करने की, डायरेक्ट करेंगे. सो इन फिगर, गिवन में फिगर मानी जाएगी. यू कैन एक्सप्लेन कि व्हाट इज बिल्डिंग, व्हाट इज टावर. ओके, आई टोल्ड यू. नाउ इन फिगर in right triangle, always in right triangle, trigonometry is using always in right triangle ACD, triangle ACB. Okay, in this triangle angle A is 90 degree. vertically हमेशा बेंडिंग होती है, तो इसमें tan थीटा. Okay, tan of angle D is this triangle 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite side AC upon adjacent side AD. Okay, then AC value AB plus BC. BC is Y and this 20, so 20 plus Y. This is AC. Okay, and divide by AD. Then from here AD can find. Okay, tan 60 value we can put. What is the tan 60 degree? Root 3. So root 3 into AD. AD will come this side, multiply में, and equal to 20 plus Y. Okay, then AD equal 20 plus Y divided by root 3. This is your AD. This is your equation 1. Use this in right triangle. In right triangle, अगर right triangle with 45 degree angle and triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. In this right triangle, tan theta, any tan 45 degree. This is 45 degree. At point B, angle is 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is equal to opposite AB, opposite side upon adjacent AD. Then opposite side AB given building height 20 meter upon AD. Then AD equals here tan 45 1, so 1 equal to 20 upon AD. Then this implies AD equal to 20 meter. Okay, so AD आपका 20 meter put in equation 1. Okay, putting in equation 1, putting in equation 1. Okay, putting in equation 1 AD वैल्यू, तो ये क्या है आपका इक्वेशन 1 AD ये है, तो AD पुट कर दिया 20, so 20 is equal 20 plus y upon root 3 in equation 1. This implies root 20 root 3 multiply में इधर आ जाएगा root 3, 20 root 3 and minus 20. This is equal to y. So this is the height of the tower. So height of the tower. So height of the tower is equal, we can write in the sentence y then 20 common, we can write root 3 minus 1 meter. If root 3 value is given in the question paper, then we have to put that value in the end here and then calculate. That will be the height of this tower. Done. So like this, next question we can. Yes, this question, next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building. The building है AB building. The top of the building angle of elevation from the foot of the tower. CD let tower. So foot of tower point C. So C से angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30 degree. Okay, and angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Of the top of the tower, D point का angle of elevation from the foot of the building. Building है इसका foot है A, तो A से angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Okay, this is given. If the tower is 50 meter high, if CD is equal to 50 meter, CD is equal to 50 meter. CD is equal to tower, ठीक है बेटा, and height is equal to 50 meter given. This given. Okay. After that, find the height of the building asking. Okay. Let we should explain AB is equal to H. Building. This is H. Height of the building. We have to find. So now in right triangle solution. In right triangle, which right triangle? ABC. any right triangle first you can take. In right triangle ABC, what? Tan theta. In right triangle, tan theta. Theta is angle C, 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side AB H upon adjacent AC. Okay, then tan 30 1 upon root 3 is equal to H upon AC. Okay, take AC value from here. AC cross multiply, then AC value will be equal to H into root 3 and root 3H. Clear? So this from the first angle, take AC value and put in the second right triangle. Okay. Now in second right triangle, always like this question, two right triangle. Then in right triangle ACD, CD is tower. Now tan theta, theta here 60 degree. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side CD, that is 50 meter high tower, upon AC, adjacent side. Tan 60 value root 3 is equal to 50 upon AC. AC value from equation 1 root 3H. Root 3H. Okay. Then use equation 1 here. Then this is 3H is equal to 50. Then H is equal to 50 upon 3. Okay. Approximately कितना बन गया? 3 1 जा 3, 2 20, 3 6 जा 18, then 20, then again 6 6. So 6 7 we can see approximately itne meter answer. Okay, so like this you can do according to the question. Okay, next one question more. Yes, next question is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. Like it was the original tree and AB was the left original tree, and due to storm let it bends, breaks and touches to the ground here at distance 8 meter. Like this point C. Okay. Now this part point B touches here at C. This is B. Point C. Okay. अंडरस्टैंड, जो उसका टॉप है ट्री का बी, वो यहाँ टच हो गया ग्राउंड पर. ओके, ग्राउंड अगर टॉप का ट्री टच इज द ग्राउंड, मेकिंग एन एंगल 30 डिग्री. दिस एंगल 30 डिग्री given. This is the situation. This left original tree, this full tree, A B was the tree. Okay, full tree. Then from the point let D, it bends. Okay, now according to question, this is clear. here this right triangle in right triangle A D C tan of 30 degree. If you want to take, but here you have 8 meter this distance. So then you can find this full. Okay? And you have to find here height of the tree. Means you have to find this hypotenuse. So then you should take hypotenuse and the given side one adjacent, then cos. So we can take cos of 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. V now, ठीक है बेटा, this adjacent side here 8 meter given upon hypotenuse we have to find, it is DC. Then cos 30 we know, cos 30 value root 3 by 2, cos 30 is equal to 8 upon DC. This DC will be equal to BD, as according to question, as BD वो झुक गया ऊपर से झुककर यहाँ लग गया, तो डी बी जितना था वो डी सी के इक्वल होगा. Okay, and B point top of the tree touches to the ground B here at C, which taken C. So this is the important point which we have to use. Okay, now find here DC. DC is equal to 8 to the 16 cross multiply upon root 3. ठीक है बेटा? Then DC is equal to BD. So this is equal to BD, we can say. This is the important point. Okay. Now you have to find AD. Now sine of, we can take sine 30 in same triangle is equal to sine 30 opposite side AD upon hypotenuse is BC, and DC we got here, put here, then AD upon DC means this here, understand? ठीक है बेटा? DC then hypotenuse, this is 16 upon root 3, so reciprocal into root 3. This, then this sine 30 1 upon 2 is equal to root 3 AD upon 16. Then this implies 16 इधर आएगा तो 8 हो जाएगा, तो 8, this implies 8 upon root 3 इधर डिवाइड में आ जाएगा, is equal to AD. Then we got AD and BD both. So height So height of tree equal AD plus BD इक्वल AD आपका कितना है बेटा? AD 8/√3 प्लस BD 16/√3. Then 8 plus 16 24 upon √3 multiply by √3 up and down. ठीक है बेटा? So this implies AB height of the tree is equal to 24 multiplied by √3 up and down in numerator and denominator. So √3 into √3. Then D3 3 8 जा. Then 8 √3 meter. So what was the height of the tree? 8 √3 meter. Answer. Like this. Like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact. Guide them. They must watch, like, share and subscribe the channel. Like this question you can do and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.